This amazing corn pudding casserole is a highlight on our holiday tables. It's one of those recipes that everyone looks forward to and expects to get every Thanksgiving, Christmas, and Easter. This casserole is sweet, savory, and comes together with a hearty egg base, which makes it the perfect side dish for your holiday. No matter if you are a veteran cook in the kitchen or a beginner, you will love this one. Ingredients: for large eggs, 2½ cups half and half. 2. 15 ounces packaged frozen corn, thawed. 8 ounces fontina or Swiss cheese, shredded, about 2 cups. Half a cup grated yellow onion from 1 large onion. 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 teaspoons minced garlic, about 2 garlic cloves. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh chives, plus more for garnish. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh thyme, plus more for garnish. 2 teaspoons kosher salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Directions: 1. Prepare corn. Whisk together eggs and half in a large bowl. Pulse corn in 2 batches in a food processor until coarsely chopped about 5 times. 2. Combine casserole filling. Add to egg mixture along with cheese, grated onion, flour, garlic, chives, thyme, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine. 3. Add casserole ingredients to baking dish. Transfer to a lightly greased 13x 9-inch baking dish. Cover and chill until ready to bake up to 1 day ahead. 4. Bake casserole. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove casserole from refrigerator while oven preheats. Bake uncovered until golden and bubbly around edges and center is just set, about 45 minutes. Let stand 10 minutes before serving. Garnish with thyme and chives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.